call it the dough. And yeah, these are my two ponies that I put the Rainbow Dash and the one I named Frost. But their tails fell off. And they're going to be surviving. I tried it twice, but this is the best we can get. Frost. I'm going to here with the snow, so got a little window here, got a little area where you can store stuff. I made this command by just from nothing. Gnome, just as gnome house, just a quick thing. If anybody does see this video, there's probably a couple, hopefully more than like 4. So I'll go take this and put this outside. Back to here's the snowstorm. Hold on there, Frost. Rainbows. Rainbow Dash. Snowy line. Check up on it over there. They get little. Make sure I just, yeah. Good night, little ponies. See you tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you. These little ponies, stay safe. If they can survive a winter cold, they'll be. It's going to look so cold probably in the morning. So goodbye, guys. And see ya. If I might not be like here really tomorrow, might not post anything tomorrow because our power might go out because of 1 inch of ice. But as soon as I can, I will post it. If we can't post it tomorrow. So see ya, guys. Like the next video, I'll post this today. So see ya.